Agriculture Secretary Dan Glickman talking also about needs. He says that farmers need cash grants, not just government loans, to make it through the drought. Some have crop insurance, though that is not much help in some cases. CNN's Gary Tuckman tonight on that.
It's onion harvesting time in Orange County, New York.
This is how I make a living.
Can you make a living under these conditions right now?
It's very difficult.
Chris Pavelski's farm has taken a big hit.
If we had gotten a rain 14 days ago, a lot more would look like this.
Instead, most of the onions look like this, dead or dying. The Pavelski family bought catastrophic crop insurance, but they are among many farmers who believe it's almost useless. They say they learned that in 2 of the last 3 years, when hail destroyed most of their onions.
My crop insurance payment was about $18,000 on a $180,000 loss.
The small payment is largely the result of an insurance calculation that pays off based on the stage of growth when damage occurs.
So you really would have to lose the entire crop at the last minute to get anywhere close to 100% recovery.
The U.S. Department of Agriculture acknowledges the crop insurance program doesn't work for everybody.
Our program is often very bureaucratic. We have a number of legal restraints that make it difficult for us to respond to situations.
But Ken Ackerman says the taxpayer-supported crop insurance, for which farmers pay a small fee, should often be supplemented with so-called buy-up policies for extra coverage. But many farmers say the cost of a reasonable amount of coverage is unaffordable.
In a good year, the Pavelskis can grow enough high-quality onions to fill about 120,000 50-pound bags. But this year, they figure they'll be lucky if they're able to fill half of them.
These are done. You're not going to get anything more. They're not going to get any bigger.
They say their tears are not caused by the onions.
In '96, I think I cried every single time I had to sit down and do the bills. In '98, I didn't cry so much as when I did the bills. I cried more when I came out to the fields because there was nothing.
And in 1999, Eve Pavelski says they're crying again as they face another loss of tens of thousands of dollars, even with their insurance. Gary Tuckman, CNN, Goshen, New York.
Another note about the drought: there will be no dusty fields for New Jersey athletes this fall. Water restrictions